Okay.
Dark ones and light ones.
Yeah, there's a little bit of everything. When you get into Travertine, when you get into beige color like this, even the factory fills are light. You know, so it is what it is. You know, customer says, we can't darken it, well, we can, you know, but then you start darkening every one. You know, it comes out of the quarries and it
Should be a
comes
good
from
before
survivors.
after.
The survivors say, well, on this little section I'm gonna mix this color, this little section I'm gonna mix this other.
Acetone. Hardener.
This is-
Resin. Get in there.
A little bit left is a lot.
Mm-hmm. Really darkens it down.
A little higher.
Yeah, and now, if you're on those holes, what you can actually do, if you wanna leave it, you know you're gonna hone it, is take some blue tape and tape all the way around the holes, and that way when you raise your blade over it, you're up. You're up the thickness of, you're up the thickness of a piece of tape.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I don't have a deep enough hole. I thought I had a deep enough hole there. But I mean, if you go and you start saying, hey,
Yeah, that's pretty good.
pretty good color.
Just right.
I don't think later. Would you acetone it sooner than later, right?
No, if you do it too quick, you're gonna pull it off.
You come to a happy
You're gonna pull it off,
medium.
exactly. So it's that kind of that happy in between.